Hello, welcome to class. In this class, we'll be learning how to draft our basic bodice pattern, and these are the list of materials you'll be needing to draft your basic pattern. The first one is your pattern paper. Pattern paper comes in either white or brown paper, but white is the most preferable color for pattern drafting because of visibility, to ease your visibility, clarity, and ease of transferring from paper to fabric and other form of alteration that you might need to do along the line. Another thing is that you don't work on your master pattern. What we'll be drafting now is our master pattern, which is the basic pattern. So every time you want to work on a particular design, you always have to come and trace out your basic bodice pattern before you now alterate it to whatever design you want to work on. For example, you want to make a peplum top. Now you need to draft your basic bodice pattern, which is what we are doing right now. So after you've drafted your basic bodice pattern, you will then go ahead and trace it out again on another paper like so that you can now alterate, do necessary alteration on that new traced out pattern. But you must always have your master pattern, not touch, not cut or anything, always there for you to always refer back to. So that is why it is essential that you get a white paper so that it can be visible for you to see from time to time. So the number one thing you need for pattern drafting is pattern paper. Then you need your armor curve. This is your armor curve. It comes in different colors and shape depending on what you can get around you. Then we have your multi-purpose ruler. It has a straight rule, it has a 90-degree angle, it has the curved parts that can serve as hip curve and as well as your armor curve, depending on how well you can manipulate the rule. So you have your gum paper tape. You can also use your water gum. You can use water gum. Then you need essentially your tape measure, and then you need a tracing wheel. Like I said earlier, you need to transfer your master pattern to your working pattern. So this is what we use to trace out your master pattern onto a working paper. Then the next is scissors, a paper scissors, not just anyhow scissors. You don't use your fabric scissors to cut paper. So that's why it is essential that you get a separate scissors for cutting papers. Then you can always get another scissors for your fabric cuttings. So you need your pencil. You use pencil, please use pencil, not marker. So use pencil so that when you make mistake, you can always correct whatever mistake that you made. Then you have your eraser to go with it, and then I'll be using a marker pen because for you guys to see, for you to see the pattern as I'll be demonstrating. So for clarity's sake, essentially, so I'll be using a marker pen. You can always use your marker pen to enhance the master pattern after you have finished drafting with your pencil. You know that okay, this is a correct pattern, there's no more error, there's no correction to be made. Then you are going to use you can use your marker pen. So without further ado, let's get started with the class.